Now I am going to teach about cornea. See this picture, where the cornea is located means the in front of eyeball. The cornea is located at in front of the eyeball. Okay, so cornea, that is a thin and transparent layer. So in our human eye, it consists of many parts. So which part is very thin and transparent means the answer is cornea. So cornea, this is a thin and transparent layer. Where the cornea is located in eye? The cornea is located in front of the eyeball. Then what is the function of cornea? When the light is entered through the cornea, it refracts or bends the light to the lens. When the light is entered, for example, if I am passing the light rays is reached to cornea, the cornea only refract the light rays to lens. Okay, so what is the function of cornea means when the light is entered to the cornea, it refract the light to lens. And see the paragraph cornea. It is a thin and transparent layer where it is located in front of the surface of eyeball, and cornea is a main refracting surface. Then what is the function of cornea? The function of cornea is it refracts light to lens. It refracts light to lens. So what is a refraction? So when the light is travel one medium to another one medium. The next part of eye is iris. The human eye has many parts. So which one is the colored part means the answer is iris. Which one is the colored part of eye? Yes, the answer is iris. In our eye has different colors. For example, see this picture. In this eyes has three colors. One is green color, one is blue color, another one is brown color. Because of iris, it is a colored part of eye. See the paragraph iris. It is a colored part of eye. Okay. The next one, it may be blue color, brown color and green in color. The next point, every person has a unique color, pattern and texture. Texture means structure. Then unique, that is different or various. Okay. So each and every person has eye. The eye has different color from one person to another one person because of iris. So in our human eye has many parts. So which part is colored part means iris. So with the help of iris we can get the different colors of eyes. For example, blue color eye, green color eye, another one is a brown color eye. Okay. The next one, what is the function of iris? What is the function of iris? It controls the amount of light entering into the pupil. It controls the amount of light entering into the pupil, like camera aperture. What is aperture? One small hole. Okay, in camera has one small hole. In this hole, when the light is entered inside the camera, we can get one image, in the colorful image. Okay, so like that iris function. Iris, it is a function of, what is the function of iris? It controls the amount of light entering into the pupil. The next part of eye is pupil. From this picture, where the pupil is located? From this human eye, where the pupil is located? The center part of iris is pupil. The center part of iris is pupil. So see here, this is iris. Okay, this is iris. So in the center part, which one? in this area. Okay, in this area, that is pupil. So the center part of iris is pupil. It is the pathway for light to retina. In this way only the light is reached to retina. And see the paragraph, pupil. It is a center part of iris. It is the pathway for the light to retina. So in this way only the light is reached to retina. The next part of eye is retina. Look at this picture where retina is located. This is the back surface of eye. Already we studied in the which one is located in front of the surface of eyeball. Yes, the answer is cornea. This is cornea and this one retina. So retina is located at the back surface of eye and it is most sensitive part of human eye because of we can get the image in real as well as inverted image. Okay, so the real and inverted image of object is found in retina. So see the paragraph, retina. This is the back surface of eye. It is most sensitive part of human eye and in this part only we can get the real and inverted image. Okay, so from the object the real and inverted image where it is formed means by retina. See the paragraph, retina. This is the back surface of eye. So which one is the front surface of eyeball? Yes, the answer is cornea. Then which one is the back surface of eye? The answer is retina. And retina is the most sensitive part of human eye because of retina only collected the real and inverted image from the object. Okay. The next part of eye is ciliary muscles. See this picture. This is ciliary muscles. Okay, this is ciliary muscles. So what is the uses of ciliary muscles mean? It helps to change the focal length of eye lens according to the position of object. So where the eye lens is located, this is eye lens. This is eye lens. Okay. So between the ciliary muscles the eye lens is located. Between the ciliary muscles the eye lens is located. And see the paragraph, ciliary muscles. The eye lens is fixed between the ciliary muscles. Then what is the function of ciliary muscles? It helps to change the focal length of eye lens according to the position of object. Already we studied in the rules how does the image formation in concave and convex lens. The position is placed at infinity or particular distance or a center of curvature or principal focusing point like that. So ciliary muscles used to change the focal length of eye lens according to the position of object. So eye lens is fixed between the ciliary muscles. The next part is eye lens. See this human eye picture. The white color, that is eye lens. Okay, this is eye lens. So where the eye lens is fixed, the eye lens is fixed between the ciliary muscles. Okay, the next one, it is an important part of eye because of it's only convert the image into brain. Okay, so lens, the eye lens is in convex nature. Eye lens is convex nature. And see the paragraph, eye lens. This is an important part of human eye. It is convex in nature. Eye lens, already we studied the two types of lenses. One is concave lens, another one is convex lens. So what is convex lens? In the middle part of lens is thicker. In the middle part of lens is thicker. That is convex lens. Okay. So eye lens may be in convex lens nature. So eye lens is convex nature. So my dear student, see this human eye picture. I ask some questions to you. Try to say the answer. Okay. Which one is the colored part of eye? Yes, the answer is iris. The iris is a colored part of eye. What are the colors? Blue color, brown color and green color. Okay. The next one, the center part of iris is dash. The center part of iris is dash. The answer is pupil. The next question, in which part is located in the front surface of eyeball? In which part is located in the front surface of eyeball? Yes, the answer is cornea. Then which one is the back surface of eye? In which one is the back surface of eye? Yes, the answer is retina. Okay, the next one, where the eye lens is fixed? Yes, the eye lens is fixed between the ciliary muscles. Then what is the nature of eye lens? Very good. The nature of eye lens is convex lens nature because of the middle part of lens is thicker than the edges. Okay, students.